Ruplekha Banerjee, PGT Chemistry of Bodhisattva School. I have attended one webinar that was conducted by CBSE on 4th August, and it was about career guidance and counseling. So this was, I think, the most important thing that we all need. The students, especially of classes 8 to 12, they need counseling, that where they should go, where or which stream they should select. So the webinar was about that, and it was conducted under the guidance of our Manoj Ahuja sir, Terry Danian sir, and Mrs. Rama Sharma. So without any delay, let's get started with the topics that was captured during this webinar, and there is a surprise for you all with this. Thank you. CBSE Career Guidance and Counseling Webinar. This was conducted on 4th August from 3 p.m. onwards. Manoj Ahuja, Chairperson CBSE, Terry Danian, Chief of Education UNICEF India, Rama Sharma, Head Media and PR CBSE. CBSE Counseling is an annual flagship program of the board which aims to facilitate different categories of secondary and senior secondary students at national and international level through free of cost pre- and post-exam counseling. While we were still gearing up to the paradigm shifts in learning, March 2020 stunned the world. From psychological counseling to career guidance, CBSE has published a compendium courses after plus 2 in 2019. CBSE Manual on Mental and Well-being encapsulates the role of school, family and community for promoting mental health. For students, parents and teachers to discuss health and psycho-emotional well-being, to reach out and engage with larger community. In March 2020, the Ministry of Education came up with a very noteworthy initiative of Manodarpan. To engage youth, CBSE has used the medium of memes and rap songs and published on social media for creating awareness and education. To address the problems of lockdown and its ramification, cancellations of annual exams, closure of schools, online teaching, CBSE launched an app for psychosocial wellness of students of classes 9 to 12 during the pandemic. The live counseling sessions are conducted free of cost thrice a week by the trained counselors and principals in India and at Saudi Arab, UAE, Nepal, Oman, Kuwait, Japan, Singapore and USA. Telecounseling since 1998, accessible psychological support has benefited millions of students and parents till date. The CBSE Career Guidance and Counseling Portal Future and Beyond. Welcome to the CBSE Career Guidance Portal. Now, we will go through this link and will observe what are the things present here. So first page is like this. Here we have to give our mail ID and then we have to go through this. So first is West Bengal state we have to write, then name of the school, whatever school name you have to write it here. So one by one we will complete it. So then select the state. This time we will write West Bengal. After that we will write, so here is the option. Okay, now we will go with the school name, and once you enter Bodhisattva, you will get the recommendation like this. So no need to write the complete one as you are already getting it. Then academic year you will write, I am writing 2020-21 just to check, and then class 11 subject combination I have to give. So before that it is not taking the class, so let's write it again. So I am taking it as 10, no not 10, let it be 11. Okay, now subject combination. So here we have so many options, so I am selecting PCM. Fine. So next we will have to create one password. So I am trying to create one password, but as I can see they are recommending me that I have to create a strong password. Okay, so please use a strong password. So we have to create a strong password, and after creating it, definitely we will get this page, and this depends on your choice. So they will give you a verification link to your mail ID. So by having your password and mail ID, login. Now what we will do, we are just giving our mail ID and password to this portal, and then we will get what we will get. Let's see. So here is your options: trending since last week, emerging careers as PCM students, so many careers you all have, popular careers. Then see, so many things that even we are not aware of. So here they will ask you one question like this. Then careers where you can travel the whole world. So other than that, if you're if you like something like painting, writing, blogging, so that also you will get some suggestions for that field also. So this time I'm selecting writing versus oblique blogging, and then on the basis of your choices they will create your profile, that what are the things that you like. So on the basis of that they will have some idea, and they will recommend you your careers based on that is your choice. So then you will have artificial intelligence, emerging career for your PCB students, and PCB students different, so different criteria for PCM students and your PCB students. Then popular careers like computer engineer, then most popular blogs about your NEET, then about the colleges. So career options after 12, humanities, a comprehensive guide to pursue a successful career. So many things you will have. Whatever you want, you can go through this, and then you will get so many information regarding the job. So best of luck for your future. And the most important thing is, kindly go through this app, and I'm sure that you all will love it. Thank you.